Alright, so it is unboxing day. So, as you can see, we got a pretty decent sized package. So, just gonna cut to the chase, open this thing up, and yeah, this is a knife. Now, I just got demonetized, even though I don't have monetization set up. But if I did, I would not be making any money off of this video. Anyways, I got these devices that you'll see here from a good friend of mine, Thompson. We did a trade. I gave him something that you guys will see in some of his upcoming videos, and in return he sent me these. So some of you may have an idea as to what these are, others may not, but I'm gonna crack open this package and have a look at what's inside of this. I'm obviously opening this from the bottom because, well, my address and all that's on the front, so for obvious reasons we're going to be opening this box upside down, just like how I've done all of my other unboxings. Oh, beautiful. Packing peanuts. Alright, so I'm going to do this carefully without making a mess. Go ahead and pull this out. Oh god, it's too late. Alright. Just gonna unbox everything first. It's a heavy boy right there. Alright. May have an idea of what this is, but let's see. Is that everything? Piece of paper. And appears to be everything, so I will go ahead and open up what's in the bags. Alright, so bag number one. We have some skirts. See if I can get them apart here. Alright, so these are speaker strobe skirts. Model number... This camera's not going to focus, but it's 4905 and 9946. It's two of them. And you can probably guess why I have these back box or speaker strip skirts. And this is why. Got some turtle alerts. Some turtle alert speaker strobes. This is a 4906 9151 multi-candela smart sync speaker strobe. There's your wiring right there. Strobe, speaker. I should think this the other way around, but there's your selection for the wattage, and yeah, there's a front. This thing's in really nice condition. Yeah, but I don't have just one. I've got two. So yeah, and so for these skirts, you just take your speaker strobe, slap it on, looking nice and beautiful. Go ahead and second one on, and holy crap, these things look sweet. Alright, well, that's the unboxing portion. These things look badass. But now I'm gonna go ahead and jump to the test the speakers, test the strobes, and yeah, so see you in a minute.
Attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned.
It's set on a low volume because people are home.
Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest.
But they work. So yeah, thank you, Jared, for these speaker strips, and we'll hopefully get these going in whatever kind of setup I have coming next. So yeah, thanks for watching.